Hi, Anthony here with GigaParts, here to talk to you about CB or Citizens Band Radio. Here at GigaParts, we have everything that you would need to be able to get into CB. CB has been known for decades as a technology that allows you to reach out whether you just want to get into the hobby, talk for fun, or if you actually need to reach out for any reason. People absolutely love CB because you can jump right into it, no need for a license, no need for a call sign, no paperwork, just buy the radio and jump right in. Here at GigaParts, we carry many CB radios, including the 520XL, the PC78 LTX, and the PC68 LTX. We also have all the accessories that you need to get into the hobby or to replace something you may already have. Find out more at gigaparts.com or in store. Here in Vegas, GigaParts is your technology superstore. GigaParts is located at 3021 Valley View Boulevard, just south of Sahara Avenue.